after an MLO is onboarded and completes the digital originator training, a kit is sent out to them that includes um, cameras, that includes lenses, that includes connections, especially when it comes to certain systems that we set up on their computers, that includes lighting, microphones, but an entire virtual setup similar to what you're seeing right now for you as an originator to be able to apply this new virtual selling model into a new business model. And what we've seen with loan officers that have transitioned over and applied a digital virtual prospecting strategy, we've seen a 500% increase in prospecting realtors in regards to initial meeting. What we've also seen is applications triple because they were able to meet the originator in person through a virtual setup, but to be able to meet them face to face and be able to build that trust. And this part is the most exciting part for me specifically because now retentions have gone up drastically. When you have the opportunity to be able to build a different type of rapport with your clients and build trust that the typical current model doesn't really do at a high level, you're capable of doing something a lot more, not only for your clients, but also for your agents when it comes to helping them convert the referrals that they're sending over to you. For the first time ever, people are catching up to technology, which is kind of mind boggling because usually we develop technology for issues and problems that we have. And because of the past 2 years, we've caught up to where technology has been. For the past few years, especially when it comes to Zoom, when it comes to Google Hangouts, or any of these online meeting platforms. But it is the new norm. And it is something that as a company, we have dedicated a ton of time, energy, not investing into it for our people. And our people are seeing the benefit of it. And loan originators that are currently seeing that the current model has shifted and changed drastically the last couple of years are learning and realizing that they have to transition and adapt. And the ones that adapt fast enough to be able to, of course, apply it are going to be the ones that are going to be able to capitalize for the future of where this industry is going, and especially the consumer behavior is going. But it's a great model to see because our originators, again, are capable of saving more time and applying that time to originating more business. Instead of driving to a real estate office to meet someone, they're asking for the quick 15-minute meeting versus an hour in-person meeting. There's a lot more yeses in a quick Zoom meeting than an in-person meeting. So the opportunities are capable of increasing. As long as you have an opportunity to talk to someone, get to know them, and your intentions are good, and your ability to be able to understand the virtual, online, digital world is something that you've mastered and learned, your conversions are going to increase, and you will see a better business model for yourself with higher conversions, especially when it comes to closings. But yeah, it's a great part of what we as a company have seen, especially when it comes to originators wanting to jump on board the past few months, is the ability to be able to be a part of a new type of business model and a new type of origination model where they themselves could do more in less time.